How to access CapCut Space on mobile. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the CapCut application in your mobile device. Here I am logged into my account. Now, once you make that sure, now tap on the edit option from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface from the bottom left corner. Now, once you go to your edit page there, under this new project button, next to projects, there you will have a button as space. So tap on space. After that, you will get to your CapCut space. Now, tap on your CapCut space name from the top left corner. There you get two options, either to join or to create. Now, if you would like to create a new space, tap on create. Now, you can change the name of your space and change the color. After that, click on or tap on create and invite members. If you like to invite members to your CapCut space, then tap on create an invite, and from there you will have an option to invite the member, or if you like to simply create, then only go with the creation of your CapCut space. Now, once you have your CapCut space, if you go back to your edit page, and from there, if you would like to add some of your projects to your CapCut space, then all you have to do is tap on three dots icon next to your project, and a drop down menu will pop up. From there, simply tap on upload to space and then tap on upload. Now you have to select this space, so select your space and then tap on select, and with that your project will be uploaded to your CapCut space. So that's how you can access CapCut space in your mobile, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.